Alright, HVAC people! Okay, so in this video here, we're going to replace a control board. So we diagnosed this unit maybe about a week ago. It was a home warranty customer. They have two units. One is a 4-ton for downstairs. One is a 2.5-ton. So typically, the smaller square footage have, the lesser tonnage. So this downstairs unit was not cooling. So the upstairs unit, which is a 2.5-ton, is trying to compensate for the downstairs unit and trying to cool the whole house. So the homeowner was complaining that his electric bill was through the roof, and that I think he had a company came out and said that he needed a new unit. So he told the company that since he got a home warranty, he's gonna have his home warranty assign him a company to come out, which was us. So with me dealing with home warranty companies send me the majority of the work. So I kind of got to go by their policies. Now it is an older unit, but I'm a technician at heart, and we take pride in diagnosing the unit, find out the cause. If it can be repaired, we will repair it. Now we always can get an option of replacing the unit, but like I say, on the home warranty company, sometimes even as far as the business side of me working with home warranty companies, a lot of times I can make just as much money or even a little less than making a repair than replacing the unit. So on this video though, I'm gonna show you what we found. Like I said, it was a bad control board, but the control board wasn't allowing the fan to turn on. So the unit would freeze up. All you had was, in cool mode, all you had was a compressor turns on and it just freeze up. So like I say, whoever came out said they just needed a new unit. I don't know if they troubleshoot, what kind of troubleshooting they did, but they did tell the homeowner the unit needs to be replaced. So, like I say, we diagnosed the unit, so I'm gonna show you a hack. If you're a new technician, homeowners, I probably wouldn't try this. But if you want to try to get you by, you can do it. But what we did, we diagnosed it. It take 120 volts to run the fan, and we seen in cool mode or fan, the fan would not turn on. The control board would not send signal for the fan to turn on. So I'm gonna show you how to bypass the control board and run the fan all the time. If you run the fan all the time, when the compressor turns on, the evaporator core or the unit would not freeze up. So I'm gonna show you this hack. You need like a little jumper terminal, and we're gonna jump the fan out. It's just gonna act like your thermostat is on all the time. So it should reduce the electric bill. But the thing about it is, even though the fan is running all the time, which I explained to the homeowner, until we get back to replace the control board, once we get approval from the warranty company, the outside unit will shut on and off when it reaches set points. So if you got thermostat set for 75, the fan will continue to run, but it will cool the house, and it should lower the electricity bill, because you're gonna have the downstairs unit working and the upstairs unit working too. So you don't have the upstairs unit trying to cool the house down the whole time. So like I say, that outside unit will cycle on and off, and we tested that and kind of showed the homeowner. The breakers wasn't named, so I tried to show the homeowner if all that failed, for whatever reason, if that fan is annoying to you, you could turn it off at the breaker. All right, these back people, show what we got. All right, so I'm gonna show how to do this outside the unit. Open this one up for me. This is the one that we're going to replace. Okay, excellent. All right.
So I'll explain. So all this high voltage, remember, this is the fan going to the blower motor. Blower motor has cool and it has heat. That's the relay right here.
Sure.
We was getting from common to W1, we were getting 24 volts. Well, actually in cool mode. From common to Y1, we was getting 24 volts. But that cool, give me that little touch of the one I just showed you. Well, we had our blower motor wire connected to the cool, but we was not getting 120. Cause we can go from common to this cool right here, and we was not getting 120. And Y1, click on that other one. Let me see yours. So I'm gonna show you how to jump it out, and I'm gonna do it on these control boards too. Be the same. So, all right. So you can use these right here, or you can use a voltmeter. Use a voltmeter, we should get from common to cool. If from common to Y1, if we got 24 volts, that blue should turn red, right? That means the wire is hot going to the blower motor. So sometimes it's hard to get your leads up under there, or if you're nervous about touching something, you can use this right here. And it should turn red if you're getting 120. Gotta have it set for high voltage. So what we did, so this XMR right here, you see it says L1. What we did was put a jumper on there for temporary, because we was getting, this was turning red, but no, this was not turning red. This was not turning red, it was blue when we touched it. That means we was not getting power to our cool right here. So on this one right here, if we touch this one, we should get red all the time, because L1 is our incoming power. You got your neutral, so you go from neutral to L1, we should get 120, and it should be hot all the time. That just stays hot. So what we did was put this jumper on here, because you're gonna have your L1 wire. Once we get to the job site, we'll kind of show you how the L1 wire, you get these two piggybacks right here. And I'm gonna put that spade on there. Put that on there. That's all we're gonna do. Put that spade. So we'll take our wire. That's good. Take our wire off. We'll put that L1 black wire right there. We're gonna pour the cool off, and we put it on this L1 right here. That means it's gonna be red or hot all the time. 120. Fan is gonna run all the time, so it's gonna be the same thing as we got common to G24 all the time. It's no different. And you do the same thing with the other boards right here. See, it says line. Got that jumped out. Take that spade out there for us. Actually, I want to leave that on there, because I think this used board right here, the reading, that probably stayed on there because the relay was bad on here. The relay goes out. Let's see if we get another control board. So this control board right here, kind of do the same thing. It's made kind of different. This control board is made kind of different. You see it says cool right here. We'll do the same thing. We'll find our L1, which is, got spare, got blower, and this is going to be L1 right here. L1 right here, so we'll do the same thing. We'll just get one of these spades right here. And if this relay was bad, we'll take the cool or the heat, whichever one you want. I think if you got in heat mode, it's just a little slower speed. But if you take either this cool or this heat off, the blower is going to run all the time. And if we touch it, we should get red. So that's a quick way to jump it out. If you don't have these little spades right here, you can use this right here. But you will have to cut. Strip the wire. Yeah, you have to strip the wire and put both the cool terminal and the line 1 on each one and clamp it. And then take that off. you have to clamp it, and you put both of these wires in one of your terminals right here, like so. All right, so my newer techs out there, that's how you jump it out. You're a homeowner, you can try that out too. Just be careful, turn your power off. All right, anyway, take this spade here off. It's our new control board.
This is the new control board.
We're gonna go install it real quick. All right, HVAC people. So these, when you have some, this is for temporary purposes only. So that's why we going back. Yeah. But these, try to save them. When you take that old blower motor out,
Take them with you.
yeah, take it with you. All right, folks. So we at the house. Let's see which one is on. So like I say, it's an older unit, R22, but it's still running, not freezing up. When we came over here, it was a big block of ice right there. But still running, everything good. So now you got 2 units on. Good now?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'm gonna take a look at your thermostat. All right. So note. As you can hear, blower motor still on. Still ain't changed that filter. About 72. All right, so it's 72 mode. Fan on auto. All right. You see that outside unit was on. I'm gonna shut it off. You hear it click, so it will shut off. All right. Bulb must be out.
I'm gonna get the big flash one.
Okay then. Yeah. Control board. Where your bag? You bring your bag?
No, I got my meter.
Bring a bag. All right. All right. So this is our unit. Like I say, this is a Ream unit. About 20 years old, but hey, it's still kicking. No need to replace it. Change the control board. Probably get another 20 years out of the unit. Alright. So, like I say, blower motor still good. As I was showing you, this is where we piggyback right here. This is my line voltage right here. You see, I just got it piggyback. Originally, this wire was on cool, and I'm gonna show you if I turn this on. See, the blower motor turns on right away. Like some paper or something got in there. Gotta clean that out. So this was usually right here. You can see now I do it, ain't nothing happened, which is not calling for cool right now anyway. Hey Saeed,
Sir.
go turn that thermostat to 70 degrees. I wanted to call for cool.
70 degrees?
Yeah. All right, so we're going to turn it to cool. Had to put me some foil tape on my line voltage because the battery does not have thermostat, so it was blank when it went down there. But we're gonna call it for cool, and the blower motor should turn on. Like I say, it should, but it's not. So common. Go to common to Y1. See, right now I got 0. It's not calling for cool yet. Let's see if it got a delay. But once that gets to 24, it should turn on. Calling for it. Calling for it.
Sir. Oh, it's in delay.
On delay?
Yeah.
All right. So we're going to just redo the diagnosis for the camera. But when it called for it, the fan should turn on.
You put it back?
Yeah, I put it back where it was.
Okay.
And probably hear the condenser turn on with no fan. You can see it start to freeze up.
This is common. Not calling for it yet. Nothing yet.
Go from common to red. What's that fan?
Nothing.
Another way we could have tested too, if you want to not wait on the cool delay, but I want to show them in cool mode. Could have just put that fan on auto. On.
Want me to do it?
Nah. Should be about 3 more minutes. Yeah, that's the bottom.
Yeah.
Let me see. Making all that noise. So when we turn the power off, before we leave, we'll get that trash out of there.
Okay.
Yeah, man, it's taking forever. Gotta move on to the next. Time being, you got the jumpers on? Let's go ahead and jump it out. Same thing. I like for the thermostat to just call for it, but just go from red Y1. Got one to show the 24 volts. Red Y1. Okay.
Right
See, you just heard that clicked up and nothing going on. On the blower motor.
What the cool call?
You can hit a refrigerant. So that'll start freezing up. So get your little light, leave it. Get your light. Now test that black wire right there, because that's what we're doing. Now we were saying if that's, see that blue, that thing should be on. That's hot, but that's the call for cool, that black right there. And it's blue. That means it's not going through this relay right here. So that's why we jump it out. I'm gonna try to be careful if I was to take this off and just touch it. See that blower motor turn on. And that's what we did. Put power to the blower motor all the time. Okay. Take the Y1 off. Take your jumpers off. Alright. So I think it's calling for it now. So now I'm gonna put this back on cool right here. Now yeah, see we got 24 volts. See now it's calling for, see we got 24 volts on Y1. It's calling for cool, but the blower motor's not going on, so it's freezing up. Alright, so now turn the furnace off. Yeah, that one. That's it.
Yeah.
Alright, verify, make sure you ain't got no power. You can do it to 24, but yeah, check line voltage. There you go. Alright, so we got 0. Alright, so now let's go ahead and change the board out. Like I say, folks, anybody that want to get by though, and just for a temporary repair, you can put one of these leads on here. Let's try this right here too. So what I'm gonna do is one of the spares, this red, this spare or heat. Which one's spare? Blue.
No, red.
Red is spare. Let's see what happens if we just jump the spare one out. Should just change the fan speed. Turn it on. Should turn on right away. Yeah, there you go. So it don't matter which one of them wires you put on that jumper, it should stay on. It's a different fan speed. Black is the fastest speed. All right, so now we got our power. Let's go ahead and take our board off. Take this board out first. Let's see what they give us in here. And kind of compare it with each other. Yeah. The main thing I want you to take a look at is these ribbons. See if they're on there. Since they're already on there, I usually just get these right here. Just like this. Grab a hold to them. Well, I ain't want to do it like that, but you can either pinch it. I'm trying to pull the whole thing out. See that? Like that.
Okay.
So get them two. So you kind of pinch it and pull.
Pinch it and pull.
Yeah. Pinch it hard and pull straight out. There you go.
Okay.
Yeah. Got one more up top. Okay. All right. So now on these right here, two ways you can do it. You can either unscrew them and reuse them. But so what you're gonna do? We're gonna put this back where it was, on there where it's spare. You're gonna take one off, one by one. We ain't trying to get cute. If you want to, you can take a picture too.
Yes, sir.
When I say we ain't trying to get cute, we ain't trying to get fancy. Or have to read the schematic or something. Good thing to know how to read the schematic if you do get it. But well, I'm gonna tell you now, your schematic is inside your blower motor.
Oh, yeah.
So you'll be out of there. Cause it got sucked in. That's why it's best to just do it one by one. Yeah. And then try to remember what all it was, because we're gonna go back in the same spot. Yeah, pull it hard. There you go. All right, so now on this one, now you just go ahead and mount that one. Put it back kind of where they was. Before you get one stuck in there, make sure you line them up, because all different type of holes.
So we'll go right there. That will go right
Yeah,
there.
that good. So now you just kind of pop it in like that.
Pop it in.
Yeah. There you go.
Right there.
Make sure all of them in. And try not to, because you'll crack your board and you'll mess these the diodes up. So just
a little push.
Yeah, just a little push. Don't push none of these.
No, okay.
Yeah. And now you just
one by one.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, folks. So we're going one by one. I'm gonna pause the video. Well, since we're doing the blower, let's do our blower first. Call out what you putting in. That's cool.
Oh, that's cool.
Okay.
Doing heat.
What blue is heat?
Yes, sir.
All right. Yeah, use the thing. Okay.
Okay, putting that line in.
Line voltage.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, that's our spade. You can throw that in your bag and keep it. You see how I split it out like that? Sometimes to get them on there, that's how you gotta kind of do it. All right, what we got now? Line voltage.
Sorry.
All right.
Okay. Neutral?
Yeah, neutral. So all your neutrals all in one spot, all them whites. The rest of them just got two harnesses. That's like your neutral from your transformer. There you go. Right. That's a good job cleaning it. Right there. I think that's for your heater.
Yes, sir. And then we have for the transformer, 24 volts.
24 volt. Yeah.
Right there.
And when you say 24 volts, I mean you can check that right there. If you wasn't getting 24 volts or something.
We're not getting 24 volts from the call. Could be your transfer.
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's pull this out.
All right, so we're gonna wire our thermostat up one by one. If you want to, I do mine sometime. You can just keep, look, 'cause the main thing, you know how to wire up a thermostat though, but condenser
Condenser is white and common. Yeah.
common to wire one on your control board.
Sir.
But just go ahead and cut these and redo them. Just cut it and then just cut all that. There you go. Yeah, resplice them. Now, if you need to look at this right here, you can. But you just gonna just resplice. All right.
Okay, this is for the condenser.
And get you enough out of there. That one don't got the little white thread thing. Yeah. Just take them and split them down the middle. Put them apart. Like, kind of like, you pull one way, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Go ahead. Yeah, pull it down, yeah. Rip that insulation. There you go, as far as you can. Rip it hard. Rip it hard. Sometimes it can be tough, but.
Right there?
That's long enough for you? Yeah. That should be good. All right, go ahead and clean these up. Get what you need. See how you nicked it right there? When we said that. This cheap cheap thermostat wire, so. Cause you don't want to run out. You get to the point where you got to keep cutting, you can't reach it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you cut that whole blue off. Right, so. You gotta,
I don't got the, you want the knife?
Yeah, let me say, yeah. Yeah, probably better with a knife. How much slack we got here?
Here you go. Oh, this is stuck right there in the 2x4?
Yeah, that's fine. What about?
It's stuck right there with you. Right there.
You say you got your knife?
Yeah, there you go. Put the button on the side. Here. Oh yeah, way easier than
We kind of pull it back where we need it. To me, the more the better. Let me let you do that. Clean all them up. And wire them in. Right, clean condenser up.
Okay.
Yeah, condenser real small. All right. I had a little small screwdriver. Where your other little screwdriver? I had it. I put it right there.
Okay.
Yeah, that one a little bigger. But as you can see, they already out. They already out.
Oh,
far.
they're already out?
Yeah, they ready for you to put them in there.
Are. Okay. So, common and what?
Make sure they on there. Your copper touching, not the insulation, right?
Right there.
Yeah. So we need conduit, or continuity between the terminals.
We have red.
Yeah, go ahead and do your cooling. So you can get them out the way. There you go. All right, everything touching, double check that.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right,
Yes, sir.
3 more.
So we have green.
What's green?
A fan.
All right.
So ready to go sleep there. Okay, right there. White for heat.
All right. Heat load.
And red for power. 24.
24.
Well, ain't 24, it's like 27.
Yeah.
We say
We just called it
24.
24.
Yes, sir. Right there.
All right. Everything tight. Good.
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's fire it up.
Okay.
Well, hold on. So we want to do that delay. Clint, see if you can reach that paper. Get that schematic out of there. Okay. What happened? This stuff dry rotting that glue.
We are good to go.
All
Let
right.
me take a picture of this so we can see.
All right. So if everything good, when it cover cool,
Oh, shoot.
and should kick on. Go ahead and turn it on, and then we might just jump it out.
Okay.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. All right. All right. Yeah. Go ahead and go jump red to green. See. Red Y1. Okay, we got a condenser and blower. All right, we good to go. That's a wrap. Alright, HVAC people, so that's how you can get by jumping out your blower, bypassing your control board, and have that blower run 24/7 till you can make a permanent fix. So, alright, thanks for watching. Yeah.